All stocks have been on an absolute tear here over the course of the last year, but amazingly, the stocks aren't actually very expensive for the amount of free cash flow they're producing. They're actually very cheap. And I think the market is really a little bit behind the curve on exactly how much these senior gold producers are going to be making in the quarters to come. And with earnings season just kind of around the corner, some of them reporting within 2 or 3 weeks, I think that's going to be a potential catalyst to wake the market up in terms of just how much these gold mining senior companies are actually making. So here's a chart of Barrick Gold, and up here is the free cash flow multiple of Barrick Gold. So that is the market cap divided by the free cash flow. And you can see that this multiple will spike up to around 30 points. And right now we're trading at around 18. And you can see that sort of does not go with the share price run up we've had. We've had this big run up in the share price, but we haven't had a lot of multiple expansion, which is a little strange. Usually you'll get that multiple expansion as the cash flow increases in the stock, but we haven't seen it here with the big rise up in share price of Barrick. We're still trading at a historic low cash flow multiple, and Barrick is scheduled to report earnings on November 11th, so less than 1 month away. We're seeing the same thing here in Newmont. Big run up here with the share price, shares trading up, but the cash flow multiple is at a historic low level here, trading at around 13. And you can see this one has spiked up to again this 30 level for the multiple. And Newmont is scheduled to report earnings on October 23rd. So we'll have to keep an eye on that date. And Agnico Eagle showing the same thing, even stronger run up in share price on this one, but trading at a low cash flow multiple of around 17. And this one as well has historically spiked up to um, more than double that. So trading historically very cheap for the amount of cash flow they're making. And they are expected to report earnings on October 29th. So right around the corner. And same story with some of these select gold exploration companies here. This isn't the free cash flow multiple. This is the market cap divided by their resource. And you can see this multiple can get up to $50 an ounce or even $100 an ounce. But for some of these quality juniors, on the high side, some of them are trading at around in the low 30s. Banyan, low 30s. Getchell, low 30s, as well as Gold Terra and Ohana Gold trading at $30 an ounce. And on the low side, you see AxeCap Ventures trading at just $7.59 an ounce. So still some very cheap names in the gold exploration space as well, despite some of the share price run ups in these gold explorers as well. They're still trading at a fairly cheap multiple. And I think even that the earnings coming up could even set the juniors on fire when the market starts to become more aware of how cheap these gold stocks are really across the board. So earnings coming up could wake the market up to how cheap these gold stocks really are in the near future. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.